Hello everyone, this is Alarm System Tech here with Systems in Action episode 22 with the Simplex 4004 and the Simplex 4010. So for the notification appliances, on the 4004 system I have a Gentex GES 3-24WR strobe. Then right next I have a Simplex 2901-9836, which is basically a rebranded Gentex GX90. This is set on temporal code 3. On the 4010 system, I have a Gentex GEC3-24WR. This is set on 15 candela and continuous chime. And for the initiating device on the system today, I installed a Simplex 2099-9754 conventional pull station. And then everything else is the same from last time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pull it. Alarm silence. Let's go ahead and reset the pull station here. And we'll disable this relay, which will allow us to reset both systems without them reactivating each other. So we'll do reset on the 4010, and after this is reset, we'll initiate a system reset on the 4004, and that'll be it. Alright, the 4010 is reset. Go ahead and clear out of that screen. And reset the 4004. And once that is reset, we will re-enable the relay, and that'll be it. Alright, so that has been Systems in Action episode 22. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day.